when you're running your business, you have to know your competition, right? You have to know at what prices the same product your competition are selling. So to get this, we come up with this sheet where you just need to have product link, and it will detect the name of that product. It will also detect the price for this product. So this is our prices. It is fully automated. So right now this is our competitive websites. So we have to find the product link, but it's very hard to get this link, because if you come to this site and let's say I search about this product, it's like ninth number of product. So if I search here, so let me show you the product. So this is our product. You can't get it, you just can't find it from searches. Even the name is not similar. But if you try this website, so it will it will scrape the product link and also name and the prices. So what you have to do, you have to click on this scrape button, click get data, you will see what will gonna happen. Okay, so here you can see you got this product link, you got the name and the prices. So sometimes you'll see this no results. It happened because there is no product in this website, no similar product in this website. So let me tell you this ninth number of product, which is not same, which is not it's this product. I think this product, which product, okay, this product, you can't get this product, right? Okay, let me search it, search for it. So see, you can't get this product. There are so many results, but you can't get the actual product. But with this, you can get this exact same product and the prices. So you can see the price difference between our website, our prices, and our competitors prices.